Hi guys. Okay, so this week we are learning about our stomach and our digestive system. So, there was a digestion simulation that if you have all these things at home, you can try this too. But I thought it would be cool if I made a video to show you how it would work in case you don't have all these things, which is totally cool. All right, so we're gonna see how digestion works and what happens when we eat our food, what happens to our food. So we need a couple of things to be able to do our experiment. We need a small plastic baggie. We need some crackers. We need some water. We need some clear soda. So Sprite, when it comes out of the can, is clear. Mine's a little dented, so it's perfect for an experiment. And we need a small bowl and a spoon. So I have all of my materials. I'm ready to go. I'll be ready to do my experiment. Let me move some stuff so I don't get dirty. All right, so step one. Place a few crackers in a small bowl. All right, so I'm just gonna take a couple out. We don't need to use all of my crackers, but I'm gonna take a few crackers. Maybe one more, there we go. So I put a few crackers into my bowl. All right, and then it says, using fingers, break up the crackers into halves or fourths. So most of my crackers are already kind of broken, but I'll break them up a little bit more. All right, so there we go. The bowl represents our mouth, and our fingers breaking up the crackers represent our teeth breaking up food into smaller pieces. So when we eat, we put food in our mouth and we use our teeth to chew our food, and it breaks the food up into smaller pieces. All right, so now it says to add just a few drops of water to the crackers in the bowl. So I'm going to be very careful. A few drops of water. Okay. It says you don't want it to get really mushy. Okay, so now we're going to mix our crackers with the water. All right, so I'm mixing my crackers with the water. The water is like our saliva, and our saliva starts to break down food in our mouth, particularly starches, which this is a starch, making them softer. So now when I feel this, my crackers on the outside a little bit softer, and I have all these pieces that are pretty soft. All right, so step 3. Using a spoon, transfer the crackers from the bowl into a small plastic baggie. So I don't know if I need a whole spoon. We're just gonna dump this, and I'll use a spoon to get the last pieces here. Make sure we get everything from our mouth. All right, so our bag is like our stomach. So it starts in our mouth, our teeth chew it up, our saliva or spit, gross, makes it a little softer. We swallow, goes down our esophagus and into our stomach. Okay, and the spoon, so the spoon moving the food into our stomach is our esophagus, moving the food from the mouth to the stomach. All right, now I'm gonna close my bag. And I'm going to start pressing on the crackers, making them smaller and smaller pieces. Now, step 5, open the baggie and pour in a small amount of clear soda. Okay, so let's open up our clear soda. And it says to put a small amount. All right. Now, close the baggie and we're going to squeeze on the outside of the bag and we're going to mix the soda with the small crackers. I'm going to see what happens. Ooh. Ooh, look at this mush. So the clear soda is like our stomach acid. And it breaks down the food even more and turns them into a liquid mixture, and then that is sent to our small intestine. And that's kind of what happens when we eat food. So this would be down here in my stomach, and then after it's all digested, it probably needs a little bit more acid, but this is all pretty mushy and gross. It would be a little bit more liquidy, and then it would go down into our small intestine to then come out later. Cool. While you guys are going to be reading and watching some videos, you're going to do some work, and then I have another experiment for us to do a little later. Okay, so keep up the good work. You guys are doing awesome. Bye.